Good afternoon, visitors. Right now, coming through the Duluth Ship Canal, we have the Dirk S. VanEnkevort and Michigan Trader barge. The self-unloading barge Michigan Trader was built in 2020 by Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 740 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. Equipped with a bow thruster, she has 25 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 44 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 39,600 tons. And above her deck is a 265-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. The tug, Dirk S. VanEnkevort, was built as the Joseph H. Thompson Jr. in 1990 by the Upper Lakes Towing Company in Marinette, Wisconsin. She measures 146 feet in length, 38 feet in width, and 30 feet in depth. Powered by 3 horsepower, 16-cylinder General Motors diesel engine, which give her a top speed of 12 knots or about 14 miles per hour. Together, the Dirk and Michigan Trader have a total length of 865 feet. Both are owned and operated by the VanEnkevort Tug and Barge Company of The first time the Dirk S. VanEnkevort visited the Twin Port was November 23rd of 2020, when it arrived and loaded iron ore pellets at Canadian National Dock in West Duluth. Originally built to push the self-unloading barge Joseph H. Thompson, the Dirk was rebuilt by Dodge Shipbuilding and Repair in Erie, Pennsylvania in 2020 to push the new barge Michigan Trader. Once again, coming through the Duluth Ship Canal, we have the Michigan Trader and Dirk S. VanEnkevort. The Michigan Trader was built in 2020 in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 740 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She is pushed by the tug Dirk S. VanEnkevort. The Dirk S. VanEnkevort measures 146 feet in length, 38 feet in width, and 30 feet in depth. Together, the Dirk and Michigan Trader have a total length of 865 feet. And if you see any crew on board, make sure you give them a big wave and welcome them back to Duluth.